it's Sasa, and today in this tutorial, I'm going to show how to make the label for Senku's cola. The size is 7¼ inches by 1.75 inches tall. And this is for a 237 milliliters bottle. So the fabric I'm using is 100% polyester, and I chose that kind of fabric so that I would be able to melt it. I cut out notches and I did some clips in the edges of the fabric, and then I used a candle and I would melt the edges. I used a pencil to draw on the design. The paint I'm using is a Speedball fabric paint. It's a screen printing ink. I mixed up a few different colors to be able to get this brownish, dirty kind of color. You can use a paintbrush. Here I'm using a stick and painting on the design. After the paint has dried for a couple days, I decided to tea stain the fabric slightly darker. I'm using a very strong glue to glue the fabric to the glass bottle. To finish the back, I use some thread and needle and I sew the ends together. Save the cork from a wine bottle, and I used a knife and I cut it up smaller until it could fit inside the Coke bottle. Make sure the top is bigger so that you won't end up losing the cork inside the bottle. Please tag me if you use this tutorial so I can see your awesome work. And if you want to and can support me creating more free content, either purchase a coffee or buy something from my Etsy shop. Thank you for watching!